Welcome to Fun Maths. Today we'll be solving a trigonometry problem. You'll find it interesting. Okay, the question says if sine of x equals to 1 over 2 and cos y equals to the square root of 3 over 2, the x and y are acute angles, find tan x plus y. So first of all, I need to get the value of x and get the value of y, then it will be easy to find. Right? But how do we solve that? Well, sine of x is equal to 1 over 2. To get the value of x, take the arc sine, the sine inverse. Okay? That means it's like you're dividing both sides by sine, so that you can remove the sine here. So if you do that, you just be left with x here, but this will have sine inverse of 1 over 2. It's also called arc sine 1 over 2. It's the same thing. Now the sine inverse of 1 over 2 is 30 degrees. But I want to put it in rad. That's in radians. And in radians, that is pi over 6. That's 180 degrees divided by 6. Now, please take note. There are two values for the first quadrant. For the first quadrant, x equals to pi over 6, which is 30 degrees. X also has a value in the second quadrant, which is 1 over 150 degrees, which is 5 pi over 6. 5 times 180 divided by 6, that's 150 degrees. But take note, x and y are acute angles, which means they are less than 90 degrees. The second quadrant is above 90 degrees. And so we will not be making use of 5 pi over 6. We'll just use pi over 6. I hope that's understood. That's one. Now that's the value of x. I can say, okay, since x is an acute angle, x is equals to pi over 6. Now let's work on the value of y. We're told that cos y equals to the square root of 3 over 2. To get the value of y, the same thing, arc cos of both sides or cos inverse of both sides. So y should be equals to cos inverse, I like this more, of the square root of 3 over 2. And then when you do that, that should give you 30 degrees or so. Yeah, 30 degrees, which is also pi over 6. Now, y also has two values. 30 degrees is the value in the first quadrant from 0 to 90 degrees. It has a value also in the fourth quadrant from 270 to 360 degrees. And that value is 330. Same problem, we are looking at acute angles. So we'll not be using the value in the fourth quadrant, but the value only in the first quadrant. But I'm going to write it. Y is equal to pi over 6 in rad, or did I put or? Okay, comma, and so y is pi over 6 and 330 degrees, which is 11 pi over 6. 11 pi over 6. But as I said, x was an acute angle. Y, since y is an acute angle, y will only be pi over 6, which is in the first quadrant. Now, tan x plus y will be tan of x, which is pi over 6, plus y, which is also pi over 6. And so that is, we have a common denominator, which is 6, right? And then we just pick 6 since it's common. In fact, the both of them are 6. So this is tan 6. 6 divided by itself is 1, and that times pi is pi. Same thing here, pi, and that's 2 pi, right? So this is tan 2 pi over 6. This will divide this as 3. So we have tan pi over 3. Pi over 3, 1 over 180 divided by 3, that's 60 degrees. And tan pi over 3 is the square root of 3. Okay, it's the square root of 3. So the value of tan x plus y, which is tan pi over 3, is the square root of 3. Okay, please verify with your calculator. But that's where I'm going to stop today. That's my final answer. Like this video, share, and please do to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section. Till we meet again, it's goodbye.